Hey there, welcome back to the channel where we explore all the best ways to make money online. If you've ever wished you could earn money just by scrolling through the news or playing games on your phone, you're going to want to stick around for this video. But before I dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos on legit ways to make money online. And drop your country in the comments below. I'd love to cover more apps that work in your region. Alright, let's talk about the Goldtown app. This is one of the latest apps I've come across that claims to pay you for doing things you probably already do every day. This is a completely free app available worldwide that actually pays you to read news, answer fun quizzes, and play games right from your phone or computer. Whether you're at home, on your commute, or just killing time, you can earn a little extra cash with minimal effort. Yes, you heard me. You can do this from literally anywhere, anytime. All you need is an internet connection and a device, and you're good to go. It's perfect for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone looking to make the most of their downtime. So, how does it work? Let's break it down step by step so you know exactly what to expect. The main way to earn on Goldtown is by reading news articles. The app curates a wide range of news stories from different categories, so there's always something interesting to check out. Just open the app, tap on News Express, and you'll see a bunch of articles you can scroll through. Whether you're into sports, entertainment, world news, or tech, there's something for everyone. Here's the best part. You don't even have to read every word to earn. That's right, you don't need to spend ages on each article. Just scroll through the article and, boom, you get rewarded with coins. Super easy, right? The more you scroll, the more coins you rack up, and it really adds up over time. But if news isn't your thing, no worries. Goldtown has more ways to keep you entertained and earning. There's also a quiz challenge section where you can answer quick quizzes and earn even more coins. These quizzes cover a variety of topics, from general knowledge to pop culture, so you can test your smarts while making money. These quizzes are fun and don't take much time at all. You can breeze through a few questions during a coffee break or while waiting for a friend. It's like getting paid to learn random facts. Pretty cool. Plus, it keeps your mind sharp and you might even pick up some trivia to impress your friends. And if you love games, Goldtown has you covered with their Game Center. There's a selection of simple, addictive games that you can play to earn even more coins. Play simple games, rack up points, and turn your downtime into real earnings. Whether you're into puzzles, arcade games, or brain teasers, there's something here for everyone. Now here's a little bonus tip. Goldtown also has a referral program. This is a great way to boost your earnings without much extra effort. Invite your friends and you'll earn passive coins every time they use the app. The more friends you invite, the more you can earn, and it's a win-win for everyone. It's honestly one of the easiest ways to boost your balance without extra effort. Just share your referral link and watch your coins grow as your friends join in. Once you've earned enough coins, you can cash out through PayPal. This makes it super convenient, since PayPal is accepted almost everywhere, and you can transfer your earnings straight to your bank account. The minimum payout is just $3, so you won't be waiting forever to get paid. Unlike some apps that make you wait until you've earned a huge amount, Goldtown lets you cash out quickly. It's quick, simple, and most importantly, legit. I've seen plenty of payment proofs online and users report getting their money without any hassle. So if you're looking for a side hustle that fits into your daily routine, give Goldtown a try. You can use it while watching TV, commuting, or even during your lunch break. It's a fun, low-effort way to make some extra cash and stay informed at the same time. Plus, you're making the most of your screen time instead of just scrolling aimlessly. Let me know in the comments what you think about this app, and if you've tried it, share your experience. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. It really helps the channel and lets me keep bringing you more money-making tips and honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy earning and keep hustling.